This slide shows that the next one of the 8 Gradle build files is the gradle.properties file, project properties. This file is used to define project-wide Gradle settings, including JVM options and optimization settings to help optimize builds, manage memory, set environment variables, and control Android Gradle plugin AGP behaviors. For example, we will see some settings such as in the capture. The org.gradle.jvm args is used to set JVM arguments for Gradle's Java Virtual Machine, JVM. It helps optimize memory usage, prevent out-of-memory OOM errors, and improve Gradle build performance. It controls JVM memory and performance settings for Gradle. The XMX2048 mem mean that we allocate 2048 nembytes of heap memory for Gradle. nidage dfile.encoding equals UTF-8 ensures UTF-8 encoding for text processing. The Android.use Android X is used to enable Android X support in an Android project. This setting ensures that the project uses Android X libraries instead of the older support library. The Android X replaces the old support library, deprecated since 2019. Android X is a modernized library that replaces the Android support library to provide backwards compatible features and Jetpack components for Android development. It improves app stability, performance, and maintainability while following best practices. Besides that, the support library, Android.support SAR, was deprecated in 2019. Android X provides better API consistency and modularity. It supports all Android versions, even legacy devices, and it is also required for Jetpack libraries like ViewModel, Live Data, Navigation, and Room. Next, the kotlin.code.style property in gradle.properties file is used to define the official Kotlin coding style in an Android project. It enforces consistent code formatting according to Kotlin's official conventions. It ensures standardized Kotlin formatting across teams. It is compatible with Kotlin Gradle plugin, KGP, and works with Kotlin linting tools like KTlint and Detect. Next, the Android.nontransitive rclass property in gradle.properties file is used to optimize resource access by preventing transitive rclass references across modules. This helps reduce build times and improves modularization in multi-module Android projects. When enabled, each module can only access its own resources. It prevents cross-module resource lookups, leading to faster builds. So how does it work? Old behavior when disabled. When you reference a resource in the R class in Module A, for example, Gradle checks all modules for this resource. This makes the build slower, especially in large projects. So new behavior, when enabled, each module only knows about its own R class. So faster build times because Gradle doesn't search other modules for resources. You must explicitly reference dependencies if a module needs access to another module's resources. Okay, this is about the gradle.properties file. We move to the next Gradle build file in Android.